Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, roof rack, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, tachometer, one-touch windows, one. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.